There we go, boys. Finally got the tires in. Oh yes. These are the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500. I got them in 255 35 18s.
6 hours later.
It's not raining, it's not snowing. Got the tires and the new wheels in the van. About to take off these ones because I want to swap the sensors on them, on the new wheels. So we're about to lift this baby, swap them on, and throw the option lab wheels right on the car. I'm not sure how well you guys are gonna hear me. We're doing construction over there, but the wheels are on. The car looks so freaking good, like in person, holy crap. I don't know if the camera can do it justice, but like in person it looks so good. Jeez, man. I have a good amount of poke in the front, but there's something coming for the car that will fix that either way. The rear is so flush, like, bro, I'm happy as hell with it. Normal driving, highway driving, it doesn't rub. Huge thank you to Option Lab again, because they sponsored me. They hooked me up with these wheels. The tires I got for these are the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500, and holy crap, like in the rain, these things grip. I am surprised they grip this good. These are summer tires and it's still winter here, so it's kind of stupid that I put them on, but I just wanted to see the wheels in the car already, and wow, these things grip. So very happy with this purchase for sure. Right now I'm pretty sure I have some weird toe going on in the rear. Not sure if you guys can see it, but there's more space in the front than there is in the back, so we're going to adjust that. We're going to adjust some other things on the car, basically get it autocross ready. Oh. This is probably the 5th exhaust with these rainbow tips. They're like 4.5, bigger than stock, smaller muffler, new downpipe or mid pipe, whatever you want to call it. It's like the 5th exhaust.
One eternity later.
So I realized that I probably haven't given you a cold start of my new exhaust. So I'm about to fire it up for you guys. I haven't driven the car in about a day now. So I'm getting ready to drive to work. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start of my new exhaust. All it is basically a new muffler. So I'm about to fire it up and let you guys hear it. It's a lot deeper. It's also a lot quieter than my muffler delete was, but basically a bit louder than stock, which is what I wanted. The biggest thing I want is to have these nicer tips. I did order new burnt tips that I'm going to be making a custom muffler delete out of, because I do miss my muffler delete. That was the best sounding exhaust I had, but with the front pipe it was way too loud. So I'm going to keep everything stock and just have custom muffler delete with the unequal length headers, as well as my backfire tune. And also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but look at that. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but look, that is cracked paint. Someone backed up into me. I have no idea who it was, so that's nice. So now when I'm going to be installing my Rocket Bunny rear, I'm going to have to paint the bumper first. Otherwise it's going to look so stupid. That's great.